This is my mom's home, my mom and dad's, and right next to it you can see my sister's. The reason I'm recording is hopefully you'll be able to hear that little drilling sound. Can't see it, but there's a woodpecker in there somewhere. That's what I woke up to this morning. That was my alarm clock. He's busy working away. Can't see him, but I can hear him. So he's in our neighbor's yard. He's in the neighbor's tree. And our neighbor has bamboo growing up there. And this is our garage. And this is our backyard. Oop, sounds like Sheba's outside. Sounds like Sheba just got turned loose. There she is. There they are. Hi, Sheba. Hi, Kira. Hi, Nutmeg. Hi, babies. Good morning. Good morning. Whoops, she was going to do her morning business. Nutmeg, cousin it. And here comes Sheba. Hi, Sheba Weeba. Hi, pretty girl. Hi. Hi, Nutmeg. Hi, buddies. Hi. Hi, how are you? Hi. Hello, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Good morning. Hi, pretties. Good morning, babies. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Nutmeg. Hi. You hear that woodpecker? You hear the woodpecker, Sheba? Hi, Nutter Butter. Nutley doing his business.